Question. P.S. If 9 over 4 whole to the power of 3 is equal to 2 over 3 whole to the power of n, then n equals what? Solution. Fifth of the 7 properties of exponents. One of the properties of exponents is the reciprocal of a fraction can be created with a negative exponent. So 1 over a to the power of m equals a to the power of negative m. Fourth of the 7 properties of exponents. An exponent can be distributed to multiple elements in a multiplication or division operation. This is called distributive property of exponents. So, a times b whole to the power of m equals a to the power of m whole times b to the power of m, and a over b whole to the power of m equals a to the power of m over b to the power of m. Third of the 7 properties of exponents. One of the most important of the properties of exponents is when a bracket is removed. It results in the multiplication of the exponents. So a to the power of m whole to the power of n equals a to the whole power of m times n. Equivalence of exponents. If the numbers with exponents are equal and have the same base, the equivalence of exponents can be applied when the range of base the a is greater than 1. If a to the power of x equals a to the power of y, then x equals y. We are given 9 over 4 whole cubed equals 2 over 3 whole to the power of n. Let's take the left-hand side and get it in the same form of the right-hand side so that we can compare the two sides. Thus, 9 over 4 whole to the power of 3 is equal to 3 squared whole over 2 squared whole to the power of 3. Using the fourth and third properties of exponents, we get 3 squared whole over 2 squared whole to the power of 3 is equal to 3 over 2 whole squared, which is whole cubed, is equal to 3 over 2 whole to the power of 6. Using the fifth property of exponents and the third property of exponents, we can get the reciprocal of the fraction by using a negative exponent. 3 over 2 whole to the power of 6 is equal to 2 over 3 whole to the power of negative 1, which is whole to the power of 6 becomes 2 over 3 whole to the power of negative 6, since 3 over 2 is equal to 1 whole over 2 over 3, which is 2 over 3 whole to the power of negative 1. Now, equate this with the right-hand side. 2 over 3 whole to the power of negative 6 is equal to 2 over 3 whole to the power of n. Per the equivalence of exponents, since the bases are now the same, we can see n equals negative 6. Thus, B is the correct answer. Answer B.